Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create a perfect, professional and perfectly adjustment main slider banner or main image banner for your recently started multi-vendor online store. So if you have started while a multi-vendor e-commerce website with Dokan and you have selected the Rehub theme, this is the Rehub theme. You see, here is the Rehub theme. This is one of the most popular theme for multi-vendor e-commerce website or any type of e-commerce website. So if you want to set up everything smoothly, perfectly, and that's make eye-catching like as demo, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here you can see that in general, when you start search or find out a perfect theme on Google or ThemePest or ask ChatGPT that which theme is best for your new multi-vendor store, then you probably get the Rehab theme result, and you may see this eye-catching interactive looks. You see, this is the demo. Okay, looks very professional and eye-catching, but the problem is that when you import demo to make like this one or want to make this one, it's import exactly same to same. That is right now you can see on my computer screen. But the biggest problem is that when you start changing this main image, then you become shocked because it does not look same as you are right now looking on the demo. So what is the problem and how you can solve this issue? Here I'm going to share in details step-by-step guideline so that your store looks like the same as demo, but here you will see your banner or your business image. So let's see, start right now. First of all, you have to follow my step. So I'm going to open Photoshop. Okay, also I'll use Canva, but right now I have used the Photoshop and trying to open this image. You see, here is the image, and by default you can see that. Let me open the right shot. Okay, we have to wait a little bit time, just waiting a little bit time for that. Okay, 1 second, and you see here is the image looks good. This is the image looks good, but if you check in here, it looks very big size image. So when you add any image, you see that it's broken, it does not look same as here. So what is the solution for you? First of all, you have to find out this image size. So I'm going to open this image on the Photoshop, or I can open this one. Let's open, save it as PNG and drag and drop it on the Photoshop, and let's see. Here is the size of this banner image, 1074 887. So now let's go Canva. So here I'm going to create a new file and select custom, and now we have to set the width 1074 then 87. Let's see, 87, yes, and then click on the create. Very simple. If you can follow this instruction, then you will can make a perfect banner image as you want. Okay, now I'm going to upload this image in here. Set the same position, yes, Now you have to add your image in here. So what I'm going to do, just going to search on Elementor e-commerce shop, oh man, and in here, okay, we can add online shopping, okay, set this one, add it in here and flip it. See, you can set it, or we can do another things. This will work perfectly. Just use this one, and remove this one background, remove this one, set up this one. Okay, now if you download this image, then you see it will work perfectly. Also you can try with other images. For example, let's try with this one. You see, and simply remove the VG, that's mean background. Then this one also works perfectly. Just flip it. Okay, and another one in here, you can see that looks here, it's worked very perfectly. Just add box shadow, and not in Photoshop, just in graphics, and we can add this box shadow. Looks here, yes, perfect. Now just save it, save as not PNG, JPG of course, then download. Yes, Dokan main banner image, perfect. Here's the image, you can see. Yes, now it's worked perfectly on your online store. So I hope you understand how to fix this issue and make it perfectly, or you can contact with your graphics designer. But if you have started making by yourself, then this tutorials or guideline will be very helpful. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant e-commerce website design, especially e-commerce multi-vendor website development, customization or setup, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.